Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious crab balls. To start, gather your key ingredients. You will need 1 pound of quality lump crab meat, ensuring it is well drained. Also, have 1 large egg, 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, and 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard ready. Don't forget 1/2 cup of breadcrumbs, 2 tablespoons of fresh parsley, and a pinch of Old Bay seasoning for that perfect flavor. Now let's get mixing. In a large bowl, gently combine the egg, mayonnaise, Dijon mustard, and Old Bay seasoning. Next, carefully fold in the drained lump crab meat and fresh parsley. It is important to avoid overmixing to keep the crab meat's delicate texture. Gradually add about 1/2 cup of breadcrumbs until the mixture is just firm enough to hold its shape. With your mixture ready, it is time to form and cook your crab balls. Shape the mixture into small, uniform balls, each about 1 1/2 inches in diameter. For a lighter option, you can bake them at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes until they are golden brown. Alternatively, fry them in 1 inch of hot oil for 2 to 3 minutes per side until crispy. Finally, it is time to enjoy your homemade crab balls. Serve them immediately to savor their warmth and perfect texture. These delightful bites pair wonderfully with a zesty lemon aioli or a classic tartar sauce for dipping. For an extra touch, garnish with fresh lemon wedges and a sprinkle of chopped parsley. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.